Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into a step-by-step guide for a neat little VPN app called Nur Tunnel. So if you're looking for a simple, no-fuss way to get connected, you have definitely come to the right place.
You know how it is, right? You're just trying to get online, but you're hunting for a connection that isn't just fast, but also secure. And, actually stable. It's a real struggle sometimes. And today we're going to look at one tool that says it can handle all three.
And that tool, you guessed it, is Nur Tunnel VPN. We're going to go through the whole process, from downloading the app all the way to hitting that connect button based on what the source material for this explainer shows us.
So, what makes this app special? Well, what's really cool is just how easy it is to get started. First off, it's completely free. You don't have to create an account, there's no login to remember, none of that. Plus, it's built to work everywhere, in any country, and you can grab it right from the Google Play Store. Super simple.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Step 1 is all about getting the app on your phone, and this is a big one, making sure it's fully updated before you do anything else.
This part's a breeze. Just pop open the Google Play Store, type in Nur Tunnel VPN, and hit download. Once it's installed, open it up. Now hang on, this is the first really critical step. Before you start poking around, find and tap Online Update. You have to do this. It pulls down the very latest list of servers, and that's the secret sauce to getting a really fast and stable connection.
Okay, with the app all updated, we are on to step 2, server configuration. This is where we get to choose the settings that will power our connection. Let's see how it's done.
So you've got two main choices here. You can go with Auto Select Server, which is, the easiest option by far. The app does all the thinking for you, but if you want the best possible performance, the source material recommends you manually pick a server that's located in or at least close to your own country. Why? Well, it's all about speed. The closer the server is, the less distance your data has to travel. Shorter trip equals a faster connection. Simple as that.
After you've picked your server, you're going to move on to the network selection part. A good tip here is to switch the view from the recommended list over to all countries. That way, you can see every single option available. Once you're there, you can use the search bar to zero in on exactly what you need.
And that brings us to the big pro tip for getting a top-tier connection. In that search bar, just type in UDP. Now, what on earth is UDP? It stands for User Datagram Protocol, but honestly, you don't need to worry about the technical stuff. All you need to know is that it's a method for sending data that puts speed above all else. It's way faster for things like streaming or gaming. You might even see an option like UDP hysteria. If you see that, the source says that's a fantastic choice for a high-quality connection. So remember that word, UDP.
We've installed it, we've updated it, we've configured it, and now for the moment we've been waiting for, which is also the easiest part of this whole thing. Actually connecting.
Once your server and your network are all picked out, the only thing left to do is hit that giant Start button. The app should do its magic and connect almost instantly. And just like that, you're up and running with a secure connection. Pretty cool, huh?
Now hold on, before we finish up, we need to touch on something really important. The source material includes a disclaimer about how to use this tool, and we need to cover it.
So, the source makes it really clear. This whole tutorial is for research, information, and educational purposes. And that's it. It's basically a reminder to everyone to please follow your local laws and, of course, the terms and conditions set by your internet provider.
And that's it. That's the full setup for Nur Tunnel VPN, from start to finish. In just a few quick steps, you can go from the App Store to a secure, stable connection. So, I guess the only question left is, now that you're connected, what are you going to go explore first? Thanks for joining me.